It looks like we win.
Did we both win?
Yeah.
Okay. Was that a big game we played?
Yeah.
Okay. Rafa?
Yeah?
You did really good, huh?
I did.
Did you get a little bit distracted because it was such a big game?
Yeah. And a little confused. Excited.
You got really excited, huh? We were waiting all weekend to play.
Yeah.
Now Mommy and Ramon went to bed and we could stay up and do this, huh?
Yeah. Now let's go to bed.
Is Daddy still feeling a little sick?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can't read any stories tonight, huh?
No.
Okay. Are you going to read a story to Daddy?
No, I don't know how to read stories yet.
You don't? Can you read this one to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it on the floor. What's it called?
No, I don't know if they're going to down in the bacon dresses it. The test truck still goes all the way. Barely, make road to get the dog up. Load by load. The sun sets during this time. It's time for slugs to end their fun. So remember, they go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. The microphone another day. Working hard. Working hard to have this thing. Quite what wisdom will not be. Let this see the remains. He said that my aunt is not in after bed. This is almost dark. He fled for the boomerang and then was one last week. Then was our next day. Look about them, just good night. Good night, good night.
Try to say it a little slower, okay?
Sing telling her right now. Sings is really stuff. No, he's really am so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. So next time, he pulled a load, ready now to leave the boat. He takes the basket, anyway, because everything turns out because this is the trailer for the next minute.
A little slower.
The next minute.
Good night, Cement Mixer. Good night.
Don't love to run home. You can't jump for big and small. You the different place to play. Then themselves the high fit. Don't find this but only comes. But now it's time.
Now Dump Truck's tired and wants to sleep.
He loves his bed, loves this cake, this is this thing. There's a night with such a stuff. There's English. No. Good night. Hey, put down, just doing too loud. Pushing with a mighty blade. Bulldozer works his wicked. Slipped away to them. Feel the air was thunders down. Wow. Nurse Tobin's run the tea, but now he's sleepy as can be. He was no down of that. No nonsense does that. But in the sun, the booty did that.
A little slower, Rafa. A little slower.
Skimming down the accelerate 6 this out of the out. But now it's time to amplify. Few more to the you want to bed beneath the move. Because upon his bones was over zoo.
You got stuck? He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back.
Says his school down on the go. And knuckles out of sight. The next way to good night. These baby looks at her now. They look so hard, so one way. Tomorrow another day. Not sounds to a good thing. Harry in the slice next to it himself away. No more important Come to rest your head and swing. Say I'll tell this to turn out the light. Where would you
Great work today. Shh. Good night. All done?
Not yet. And now I'm hungry.
Okay. Can Daddy say something to you?
Yeah.
Thank you for reading the book to me.
You're welcome.
Because my throat was sore. I couldn't read it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You did a good job, huh?
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to eat?
Grapes.
Okay.